Picked up a little Army Commando Paratrooper. This little guy is ready to parachute down. Has his parachute all built into it and it'll be ready to go. We'll show you how to use it. We'll take it outside and fly it. Alright, here he is. Little Army guy, red. Has a green parachute, says 24-inch parachute. It's ready to fly. Watch him float down, it says. Alright, let's get him out of this, alright? Be careful, don't cut your parachute. Okay. There it is. There he is. Look at that. Here's your parachutes all wound up and stuff. Open it up. There's your parachute, alright? The little guy will just float down right there. You need to keep your strings straight, okay? We'll take him outside and do some flying with him, okay? What you want to do is fold this parachute up like this. A few times like this. You can wrap your string around it. This will let you throw it up in the air so it won't catch it on the way up and not work too good. So there he is. We'll take him outside and fly him, okay? Alright, we got this little guy folded up here. Now let's do this. Maybe we'll do it like this and see what happens when we throw it, okay? Yeah, that worked pretty good, didn't it? Let's fold this guy up again here. See if we can get him just a little bit higher. We don't want it too tight because it'd be kind of hard to get it to open, okay? All right, are you ready? All right, we got him folded up and wrapped up. Let's see what we can do here. The wind's kind of blowing this way, so that wasn't too bad. What happens if we just toss him up in the air like this? Nothing. Works better if you fold it up. Here we go. Roll this little sucker up like that. Do it like this. And hey, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any. We got a lot more of these. Check out our playlist. Also check out the description below, and we will see you next time.